everyone, and welcome back to Explore English Podcast, where every conversation helps you learn real, natural English. I am Hina.
And I am Sam. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today, Hina?
I am doing amazing today, Sam. And honestly, I am so excited about today's episode.
Oh, yes. And this episode is extra special today. You know why, Hina?
Because this topic did not come from us. It came directly from one of our amazing viewers.
Yes, someone in the comments took the time to write to us, and we always keep our promise to our viewers.
So before we start, I want to show you that comment right now.
That is so beautiful. Thank you so much for trusting us with your learning journey.
And this is a reminder to everyone watching. If you want us to cover any topic at all, just drop it in the comments below. We read every single one, and your comment could be our next episode.
Now today, we are covering 3 phrases that confuse almost every English learner in the world.
Would have, should have, could have.
Just hearing those 3 makes people nervous.
But not after today. I promise you, by the end of this episode, these 3 phrases will feel completely natural to you.
Absolutely. So let us get straight into it.
Okay, Sam, let us start with the basics. These 3 phrases are used to talk about the past, about things that did not happen, but we are imagining what could have been different.
Oh, so it is like going back in time in your mind.
Yes, exactly like that. You're not changing the past, but you're thinking about it from a different angle.
Okay, so let us break them down one by one, starting with could have.
Perfect. Could have means you had the ability or the opportunity to do something in the past, but you did not do it.
Oh, interesting. So, I could have studied harder, but I did not.
Exactly right. You had the ability, you had the time, but something stopped you. Or maybe you simply chose not to.
So could have is about possibility and ability in the past.
Yes, possibility and ability. 2 very important words. Let me give you another example. She could have taken the job, but she refused.
So she had the opportunity. The job was right there, but she said no.
Perfect, Sam. You got it completely.
Okay, now should have. I feel like this one is about regret. Am I right?
Wow, Sam. Yes, you are absolutely right. Should have is about regret or criticism. It means something was the right thing to do, but it did not happen.
Like, I should have woken up early, but I slept in.
Oh, Sam, that sounds very, very familiar.
Honestly, every single morning of my life.
Should have means you know what the right action was, but you did not do it, and now you feel bad about it. Or sometimes you use it to criticize someone else.
Oh, it can be used for criticizing others too?
Yes. For example, you should have told me earlier. This means I am a little upset because you had the chance to tell me, but you waited too long.
Oh, I have heard that sentence so many times in my life.
We all have, Sam. We all have.
Okay, now the big one, would have.
Yes, would have is the most interesting one. It is used to talk about something that was going to happen in the past, but something stopped it. A condition was not met.
Okay, I definitely need an example for this one.
Of course. I would have called you, but my phone died.
Oh, so you wanted to call, you were going to call, but something happened. Your phone died, so you could not.
Exactly. Would have always has a reason behind it. Something prevented it from happening.
Oh, this is so clear now. Let me try one. I would have come to the party, but I was sick.
Perfect, Sam. That is a perfect sentence.
Thank you. I am getting good at this.
And listeners at home, did you notice the pattern? Would have always connects to a reason, a but, a condition, something that changed the situation.
So, to recap quickly, could have is about ability and possibility in the past. Should have is about regret or criticism, and would have is about something that was going to happen but did not because of a reason.
Sam, that was honestly a perfect summary. Better than mine.
I learned from the best, Tina.
Okay. Now, let us talk about how these sound in real conversation. Because in real English, people do not always say the full form.
Oh, yes. Like the short forms, right?
Exactly. In spoken English, people say could've instead of could have, should've instead of should have, and would've instead of would have.
Could've, should've, would've. These sound so natural.
Yes, and this is very important for listening, because when you watch movies or listen to native speakers, you will hear could've, should've, would've all the time.
Oh, that is why I sometimes could not understand fast English, because I was waiting to hear the full words, but I was hearing the short form.
Exactly. Your brain was looking for could have, but it was hearing could've. And that small difference was causing all the confusion.
That is honestly such a useful thing to know.
Now, let us do some real life situations, because grammar is only useful when you can use it in real life. Right, Sam?
Absolutely. Real life is where English actually happens.
Okay, situation 1. Imagine you had a job interview yesterday. You were nervous, you did not prepare well, and you did not get the job. What would you say?
I should have prepared more. I could have practiced my answers at home. And I would have gotten the job if I had been less nervous.
Sam, that was absolutely beautiful. You used all 3 in one situation without even trying.
Oh, wow. I did not even realize I was doing it.
That is the goal, listeners. When these phrases become so natural that you use them without thinking, that is real fluency. That is real English.
Okay, situation 2. Your friend missed an important flight.
She should have left home earlier. She could have checked the traffic before leaving. And she would have caught the flight if she had just woken up on time.
Hina, that was perfect.
Thank you, Sam.
Okay, listeners, now it is your turn. Think of something that happened in your life recently. Something you regret, or something that could have gone differently, and make 3 sentences using could have, should have, and would have. Write them in the comments right now. We would love to read every single one.
Yes, please do that. Writing is one of the best ways to practice grammar, and we will actually read your sentences in the next episode.
Hina, can we also talk about the negative form? Because I think a lot of people do not know how to use that.
Great point, Sam. Yes, the negative form is also very common. You just add not after have.
So like, should not have?
Exactly. Should not have means you did something, but it was the wrong thing to do, and now you regret it. For example, I should not have eaten so much last night.
Oh, I say this every single weekend of my life.
Same, Sam. Honestly, same. And could not have means something was completely impossible. For example, I could not have done this without your help. This means your help was absolutely necessary. Without you, it would have been impossible.
Oh, that is such a meaningful thing to say to someone. I could not have done this without you.
Beautiful sentence. Very natural. Very genuine. Use it with the people who matter to you.
And would not have?
Would not have means something would never have happened without a certain condition. For example, I would not have met my best friend if I had not joined that class.
Oh, that is such a beautiful sentence.
Yes, and this is what I love about these phrases. They carry so much emotion. Regret, gratitude, surprise, love. That is why they are so powerful in English.
Wow, I never thought about grammar being emotional before.
Grammar is very emotional, Sam. Every sentence has a feeling behind it.
That is actually such a beautiful way to think about it.
Okay, let us do our vocabulary and phrase recap before we close. Are you ready, listeners?
Ready. Let us go.
Could have. You had the ability or opportunity in the past, but did not use it.
Should have. You know what the right thing was, but it did not happen. Regret or criticism.
Would have. Something was going to happen, but a condition stopped it.
Could have, should have, would have. The short spoken forms you will hear in real everyday English.
Should not have. You did something wrong and now you regret it.
Could not have. Something was completely impossible without a certain condition.
Would not have. Something would never have happened without something else happening first.
7 powerful phrases, all from just 3 little words. Would have, should have, could have.
And now you know exactly how to use all of them in real conversations, in real situations, like a real English speaker.
Honestly, if you made it to this point of the episode, you are already ahead of most English learners in the world.
Because most people give up, but you stayed. You listened. And that is what makes the difference.
Before we go, we want to say one more time, a huge thank you to the viewer who requested this topic.
You made this episode happen, and we hope it helped you and everyone else watching today.
And if there is any topic you feel we have not covered yet, any grammar, any vocabulary, any situation where you feel stuck in English,
write it in the comments below. We read every single comment, and your request could be our very next episode.
Because this podcast is for you. Every episode, every word, every explanation, it is all for you.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep exploring English.
I am Sam.
And I am Hina. Goodbye, everyone.